When asked what is one of my favorite entrees, I will always say a garlic mushroom. And for years, I hated things because I spent years crumbing them when I started my apprenticeship. But over the years, I started to appreciate the simpler things. Now, we can always make things complicated, and there is more complicated dishes, but it's not always the best. I'm going to show you my best garlic mushroom panade served with a little bit of shredded iceberg. Let's get stuck in. So there you go. There's my version of a garlic mushroom today. It is so easy, and they're a winner for any occasion. If you enjoy our videos and you'd like to support us in the future, please consider joining our Patreon group. There's some awesome extras, Q&A sessions, our upcoming cookbooks, and some unseen videos. Well, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment down below any videos you'd like to see in the future. Hit that like button, the subscribe button, and the bell icon. And we'll see you soon.